Hello my dear ones, welcome to e-learning class, and in e-learning class today we are going to do the reading of lesson number 4. Up till now we have finished reading lesson number 1, lesson number 2 and lesson number 3. So now today we are going to learn lesson number 4, and so all of you take out your phone book and sit properly and read according how Miss is teaching you. Okay? So are you all ready, children? Yes. So this is lesson number 4 in your phone book. You can see here picture of two boys. Yes. And today we are going to read lesson number 4. Yes, so be ready to read. This is the first sentence over here. And what is that? I am P-A-T, pet. I am pet. I am pet. Here you can see picture of two boys and the name of the boys are Pat and Sam. So here the first boy, what he is saying? He is saying I am Pat. So his name is Pat. I-A-M-M-P-A-T, pet. I am pet. Next sentence. And now the same boy, what he is saying? He is saying that he is Sam. First what he told? I am pet. And in the second sentence he is saying he is Sam. This boy is saying he is Sam. The boy who is batting, his name is Pat, and the other boy who is bowling, he is Sam. His name is Sam. So we will read the second sentence. H-E-I-S is S-A-M, Sam. He is Sam. Again, he is Sam. Yes. And the third sentence, what the boy is saying? I can bat. This boy's name is Pat. And what he is saying? That I can bat. So the third sentence is I-C-A-N, can, B-A-T, bat. I can bat. Means the boy is saying that he can bat. And what he is saying? I can bat. So I-C-A-N, can, B-A-T, bat. I can bat. In the next sentence, this boy is saying that this boy whose name is Sam, he can also bat. So we will read H-E-C-A-N, can, B-A-T, bat. He can bat. And now what this boy is saying? That this boy whose name is Sam, he can also bat. So he can bat. H-E-C-A-N, can, B-A-T, bat. He can bat. Now next sentence. W-E-V C-A-N, can. B-A-T, bat. We can bat. Now what this boy is saying? That we both can bat. I can bat, he can bat, we can bat. Yes, so the sentence is, how we will read it together? We can bat. W-E-V-C-A-N, can. B-A-T, bat. We can bat. Now children, here you can see all the sentences which are in the lesson. So let's read together. First is, I am pet. I-A-M-M-P-A-T, pet. I am pet. The second sentence you can see here. H-E, he. I-S is. S-A-M, Sam. He is Sam. The third sentence, I-C-A-N, can. B-A-T, bat. I can bat. The fourth sentence, H-E, he. C-A-N, can. B-A-T, bat. He can bat. The last sentence, W-E-V-C-A-N, can. B-A-T, bat. We can bat. Now all together, all the sentences we will read only the sentences. See carefully how Miss is reading. I am pet. He is Sam. I can bat. He can bat. We can bat. Yes? So children, I hope you all have understood how to read the sentences, and today we finished the reading of lesson number 4 from Phonophone book. Like this only you all have to read and learn the lesson. Okay? So children, read carefully. Daily you all have to practice reading from your Phonophone book all the lessons. Up till now we finished lesson number 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 lessons we finished reading. So you all read the words, sentences, everything from the book. Okay? And be careful in reading and practice daily. Bye children. Have a good day.